Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ravencoin RVN. Let's go. All right, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go down below, hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, I believe the like button is right next to it. If you could tap that, I would really appreciate it. Okay, Ravencoin. Well, I'm just going to do a really quick update here. Not really much has changed except for a couple things I'm noticing. So, I think in the last video I talked about we were in this ascending triangle right here as the price, and we have been holding it still. We came up to the top, got rejected, and right now we're testing the bottom of this triangle. Technically, this is a bullish triangle, and the price target would lead us, well, roughly up in that 4-cent level. If we did break to the upside, I actually think we'd come all the way to the top of this larger triangle that we're in, where the blue line is and my third wave is. Something is a little concerning to me, though, that I'm looking at right now. We are getting rejected off the 200 daily EMA, but one thing that is concerning to me is, well, actually a couple things. So we came up to this top of this triangle here with full body candles, got rejected. Then we've come up again, but two candles here, and we're on the daily time frame. So two candles here were very high wicks to the upside, and then we got pushed back down. So unless we can get a nice body candle to come back up to the top of this triangle here, and obviously preferably break out to the upside, it's looking a little bit weaker. So what that's basically telling me is we had a lot of strong price action to the upside to this triangle. Then we got rejected. That's fine. That's normal because we came down, and on a fib retracement, we came down and we tapped to that 618 perfectly. Okay, so that's a good sign right there. The problem is we came down, and the next time we went up to go test that triangle, it was a stronger rejection, which is telling me that the bears are really fighting this level right here. If we take a fib from this bottom to this top, I mean, we're coming down to that 618, and actually you can see that the candle just dropped a little bit. We're basically touching that 618 right now. Hopefully this thing doesn't break down while I'm talking here in this video, because it's looking like a breakdown actually might be likely. The other thing that's really concerning to me is where the RSI level is. We came down to the red zone, tapped that red zone. And as you can see, we are hovering sideways action. The problem is the sideways action is in the bottom area, half of my color lines here. So we would preferably like us to be up in the green zone, then come back down and hold the upper area of this. But we're actually holding the bottom area, which is underneath the 50 level. So we keep getting rejected on the 50 level. Oh, okay. We keep getting rejected on the 50 level here of this RSI, which is not a good sign for me either. And it's, I mean, even right now, it just looks like it wants to break down. And the trend directional again has got that red dot right here. Now, what is this, the daily? There's still 15.5 hours to go. So, I mean, this red dot, you know, we can get a nice push to the upside. And it would erase this red dot, and it could get us to the break that we need to get above the 50 level. That is a possibility. But right now, especially with these higher wick candles right here, it's looking kind of weak. And actually, if you take this fib, and instead of going from the bottom to the top, let's go from the top to the bottom. And yeah, you can see that the wicks, I mean, it tried to get up, but the body candles just could not get above this 618 and then got rejected. And as you can just see, we are just teetering on this support line right here as I speak. So something to pay attention to. Again, we really need to have a strong move to the upside. I mean, within the daily, probably within the next, we'll count this day right here. I mean, within the next 5 days, 5 to 6 days, we need to have some kind of a strong move to the upside to retest this upper areas, preferably with a body candle and not a very large wick rejection. So, I mean, not only are we fighting this this resistance up here, but this is also the 200 daily EMA that we're trying to fight against, and it's just not looking very strong in my opinion. Now, the good sign is I just did a video on Bitcoin, and it does look like Bitcoin's going to break out here in the next couple of days. Probably Monday would be my guess, so the next few days. And in my opinion, Bitcoin looks like it's going to break to the upside. It doesn't have to break to the upside, but it looks like it wants to. And if that's the case, then that would actually bring the rest of the market with it, and that would be the juice that Ravencoin needs in order to break to the upside of this triangle. But just wanted to let you guys be aware of where Ravencoin stands. There is a strong chance that, I mean, I wouldn't say strong chance. I'd say I'm about 50-50 right now that we break to the up or the downside. And I mean, maybe even 60-40. It almost looks like 60% chance that we break to the downside, 40% chance that we go up. But we'll just have to wait and see. That's pretty much all I got for Ravencoin. Just a quick update. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I will talk to you later.